Hello, you're welcome to Structures Pro, the home of software. In today's class, we are going to show you how you can link your website in a workbook. So if you have a template and you want to link your website, you want to link anything, you want to link another file, I'm going to show you how to do that. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to be using my own YouTube channel as an example. So if I have a word, let me say structures pro, and I want you to, maybe if you just click on this word, it will take you to my YouTube channel. So this thing, how to do it in Excel is you just right click on the word and click on link. Okay, so once this this dialog box comes up, okay, so you make sure that it is on this particular option which says existing file or web page. So I'm going to be copying my YouTube channel link, and I will paste it here and click on this. Let me get my channel's link. This is actually a very powerful tool to use. Okay, I'll scroll down to this and right click and copy. Just copy. Okay, then I'll come back to this and paste it here. Ctrl V. I'll click OK. So this particular word Structures Pro here has turned to a link. So anyone that clicks on this cell, it will take it to my YouTube channel. So let me just click on it. So it takes you to my YouTube channel. So you have successfully linked your website, your YouTube channel, your Facebook account, your anything, any page. So if you have a template you are developing with Excel and you need to direct people to your web address, your YouTube channel or anything, this is the best way to do it. Just, in that document they will just be linked directly to your web address. Okay, another way to do it is using objects. I can insert any object from here. Click insert. Okay, go under object. Okay, let me select any object there. Let me use symbol of love. Okay. Okay, this is it. I can change the field color to red, and the outline, change it to no outline. So this is what I have. So I can also link this object to my website, to anything. Just link, right click and click on link. Still under existing file or web page, I will copy and paste my YouTube channel is still in my clipboard, so click OK. So this object is already linked. So anybody that clicks on this object will go to my YouTube channel directly. So this is a beautiful tool that when you see some persons, they will just do one or few things like this with Excel. You think that they have done magic, they have done programming, they have so what you don't know is actually strange to you. So that's the reason why I am bringing up some lessons here, so that we keep learning. So not all those things are not they are not rocket science. Okay, so if you want to remove all this, if you want to remove them, because if you click, they will take you to the web address. So the best thing to do is just to hover your mouse around and right click. Don't click out, because if you click, you are going to the web address. So you right click and you select remove hyperlink. Okay, so that one is back to normal text, is no longer linked. We can as well use pictures or logos. So for us to do that, I will just I'll come here, this under insert, and go to screenshots. I want to screenshot my logo. Okay, I'll select screen clipping, because I don't want to screenshot um the whole screen. So I'll just grab only my logo. Okay, so that's that. So I'll just put it where I want to position it. Anywhere you want to position it, position it there. You can resize, if you want to resize, you resize. It's always good to resize from the diagonal, from the edge dots, yeah, so that it doesn't change the shape. If you resize from here, it changes the shape, you get, so which is not proper. So I will just do Ctrl Z. Good. So resize from here so that the shape doesn't change. So I can drop it under this place and right click on link. We want to link it to my website, to my YouTube channel. I'll Ctrl V. I'll say okay. Anyone that click this logo will be redirected to my YouTube channel. So just single click. You can see the website is already there. Okay, single click directs you to my YouTube channel. Okay, so another thing we can do is we can link our worksheets. Like currently I'm in the directory. I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So if I want to, I can from one of the worksheet link all the other sheets. So what I would do is, let me just delete these ones. I'm going to delete this. I'll delete this. Okay, so then I can have a I'm having okay, the first one is directory. The second one is sheet 1. Okay, the third. Okay, let me just copy. This is sheet 2. Sheet 3. I've already demonstrated this in one of our previous classes. So see how I defined the pattern, and so I was able to give me what I want to do, the sheet 3 and sheet 4 for me. Okay, so this is what I have. So I can from here link, instead of coming down to click sheet 1 and sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4 like that, I can link them up. So when you click on from this directory, when you click on sheet 1 here, it takes you to sheet 1. So let me just demonstrate that immediately. Just right click. When you highlight sheet 1, you right click. Okay, so we click on link, the same link. Okay, so now this time around it's no longer going to be existing file or web page. So I'm going to select place in this document. Okay, so this is it. So we have all the sheets we have. Directory sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So I want once they click the sheet 1, it should open sheet 1. I will select sheet 1 and click OK. So look at that one is already linked up. That's why the color is showing blue. So if I click on that, If I click on that, it takes me to sheet 1. So let me just click on that sheet 1. It brings me to sheet 1, and this is what I have in my sheet 1. So you can do the same thing for other ones. Okay, so instead of coming to even click directory from here, I can also click link up something in all the pages, so such that whenever I click that thing, or it will take me back to directory. So I can as well do the same thing for sheet 2. I'll come here and write sheet 2, right click on sheet 2, click on link. Okay, then I'm going to select sheet 2, and I'll hit OK. So my sheet 2 is already linked. So I can once you click on sheet 2, it takes me to sheet 2. Okay, another thing is I can also, so when I open my sheet 3, you can define a workspace in your worksheet. So I can select all this table I have here, and I will come here and rename it. I can call it we can just call it revenue. So I'll just click enter. So that's that. So if I want to link it now, I can come back to my directory, and for my sheet 3, once I click sheet 3, I want to see that revenue. So right click the sheet 3. Okay, click on link. So you see under defined names, I have revenue already in the option, so I will just select revenue. So when you click on the link on sheet 3 in my directory, it opens up the table called revenue. So I'll click OK. So now my link is there already, so it opens up this revenue. So this is how to actually link between sheets. Okay, so now instead of coming to click on my directory, I can as well maybe from this sheet 1, I will just have a button. We can call it home button. Okay, so when I click on home, it takes me back to directory instead of me coming to click directory here. So I'll simply right click again, like others. Okay, so select link. So I'm gonna link this home to directory, and I'll click OK. So if once I'm in sheet 1, and I will just click on home, it takes me back to directory instead of coming back here to click on directory. Okay, so I can now replicate this to every other sheet. So I will just copy or click on Ctrl C to copy this one. Okay, then I'll click on this. I'll highlight it like I demonstrated in one of my previous classes. So I'll just paste it once, and it will appear in all. Okay, let me just is Ctrl V. Let me just use Ctrl V. Okay, that's good. So you see this home that is here, and press escape. When you click sheet 2, is there, sheet 3 is there, sheet 4 is there. So when I click on home, it takes me back to directory, irrespective of whichever page I am. I have home everywhere. So I've already shown us how to this thing I demonstrated now to do copy paste, and to be pasted in all the sheets as you wish, as you want. Okay, we are going to end here today. This is just a continuation of our classes, and I promise you that if you stick around, there's nothing you will not learn about Excel. You become Excel pro. I will keep dropping Excel classes, Excel tutorials, a very informative one here in my channel. So I will beg you to subscribe and stay tuned, stay glued, because I have a lot for you. So if you are just watching without liking my post, or it's not fair, just give me a thumbs up. Yeah, you can give a comment below. You can even request for a particular class that you wish I should work on and put up on my channel for people to learn. Okay, so I wish to see you next time. Thank you for joining me today.